out here in southwest Victoria in a town near Cressy, harvesting some windrow canola with our Ozpro Lexion 8800 with a Swath Up 450 pickup. The customer here today is running a couple of John Deere machines himself and also employs a couple of CLAAS contractor machines to get his crop off. The property is a mix of canola, wheat and barley, and they're harvesting around 3,000 hectares of crop. A lot of growers in southwest Victoria, South Australia and southern New South Wales often swath their crops such as canola and barley so that they're avoiding damage from wind. These growers will use what's called a CLAAS Swath Up 450, which will pick up those swaths. Now the beauty of a CLAAS Swath Up 450 paired with a Lexion machine is that we are able to run auto contour, so our ground contouring ability, as well as our auto belt speed with this pickup. The advantage of that is while our machine is working in cruise pilot, so adjusting its speeds depending on crop thickness, our belts always remain at the same speed as our ground speed produced by the Lexion. So we're not losing any excess crop through shelling of a fixed belt, and our pickup is always maintained at that right angle for a smooth crop flow up the belts, into the table auger and into our feeder house. Combine all these together and that's really where we get the maximum throughput from our Lexion paired with a Swath Up in windrow canola. So we pushed our machine well into the night. As the dew came in, it was around 12 degrees Celsius. The Lexion continued to push on with the settings that we have with our APS Synflow hybrid. We have averaged over 25 tonnes per hour. We are looking at about 10.5 litres per hectare, roughly 2.5 litres per tonne burnt. And some loss testing with the Bushel Plus out the rear of the combine, we achieved a real loss of 1.3%. The GRDC recommends for canola across any colour machine a 2% loss is acceptable in small grain canola. So to achieve 1.3% with a 25 tonne per hour throughput and a fuel burn of 2.5 litres per tonne is a fantastic result.